All right, good morning, sixth graders. We are going to talk about citing evidence to make inferences today. Miss Allen already went over this page with you and talked about how you um, find evidence in the text to help you make an inference. And if you remember that an inference involves using what you know to make a guess about what you don't know or reading between the lines. Okay, readers who make inferences use the clues in the text along with their own experiences to help them figure out what is not directly said. All right, so this one was about researching, um, and so this next one, this had to do with giant squids, and but we're going to look at this one because you've probably given this for independent practice. So this one is also about research, and it's called A Scientist's Search for Bigfoot. Dr. Jeffrey Meldrum is an associate professor of anatomy and anthropology at Idaho State University. He specializes in primate foot structure, a category that includes apes, monkeys, and humans. His interests also include evaluating footprints that some claim are left by a mythical North American ape known as Bigfoot. Meldrum's laboratory houses more than 200 casts and artifacts relating to Bigfoot. Although he believes that some samples are hoaxes, others interest him, such as unidentified hair and unique casts of muscle and foot bone anatomy. All right, so we're going to look at how to answer this question. Dr. Meldrum thinks that some samples are hoaxes, but others interest him. Why is he most likely interested in those samples? Well, it suggests in paragraph 2 that he would still like to research some of those artifacts that he has to see if there is any connection to, say, Bigfoot. So he's looking to do more research. So what the text says here, let's look. Look for details suggesting why Meldrum is interested in the other samples. One detail is listed in the second column. Write another detail there. Then complete the inference statement. All right, Meldrum's laboratory houses more than 200 casts and artifacts relating to Bigfoot. All right, so since he is interested in learning more about Bigfoot, he would, even though some are hoaxes, he believes that some of them might lead to something. So he wants to continue doing research on them. So let's go ahead and mark this. Oops, hold on, let me fix this. Okay. Meldrum. Oops, wonder why this isn't working. Oh, okay. Would like to do more research. Whoops. Like to do more research. Do more, oh dear, research on those samples. All right, hold on a minute. All right, if we continue reading, it says many anthropologists criticize Meldrum's work. They feel he is trying to find an imaginary creature that exists only in folklore. Meldrum tells critics he is not saying that Bigfoot exists. He just believes there is enough evidence to justify scientific investigation. Unsurprisingly, most anthropologists reject Meldrum's evidence. Dr. David J. Dagling, a University of Florida anthropologist who thinks Meldrum's methods of analyzing data are unscientific, sums up this feeling. Meldrum's evidence doesn't look better on deeper analysis, it looks worse. All right, so this says, which sentence from the account best supports the idea that most scientists do not find value in investigating Bigfoot artifacts? And I think we saw that here. They feel he is trying to find an imaginary creature that exists only in folklore. All right, so that's using evidence to support your inference. All right, we're on the next part of this 47. Miss Allen should have gone over that with you. Let's look at 48 and 49. It says, read the first two paragraphs of an ancient Greek myth, Athena, Arachne, and the Weaving Contest. Athena, the goddess of wisdom, was an exceptional weaver. She shared her knowledge with humans as long as they consistently showed her their deepest gratitude. Athena's most talented student was a young woman named Arachne. Each day, Athena and Arachne sold their creations at a country market, and everyone said Arachne's cloth was incredible. Athena overheard Arachne tell customers she taught herself to weave. Athena cringed as she listened to Arachne's lies. Then, on one fateful day, Arachne kept bragging to customers that she was the greatest weaver in the world and that her creations were more beautiful than all the others at the market. So let's take a look at this. It says, how does Athena feel about Arachne's bragging? Okay, she makes an inference about how Athena feels. Support your inference with two details from the text. All right, so what you know is somebody who expects gratitude would likely be upset if she did not receive it. Okay, the detail that supports that is Athena shared her knowledge with humans as long as they consistently showed her their deepest gratitude. Another detail from the text was that Athena is upset that Arachne is lying. So here it says, let me put my marker on. Okay, let's see. Athena overheard Arachne tell customers she taught herself to weave. Well, that wasn't true. Athena taught her to weave. Athena cringed as she listened to Arachne's lies. All right, so down here, let's put this in text. Okay, so Athena is angry that Arachne is telling a lie. All right? So your inference might be, so one inference you might make from that is, say, give credit where credit is due. Athena taught Arachne to weave, and so Arachne should give Athena credit. Or someone who helps you wants you to be appreciative. All right, let's continue reading. It says, an old woman in a cloak smiled and challenged Arachne to a weaving contest, which Arachne gladly accepted. The rules were simple. Each would weave one complete tapestry by nightfall, and customers would judge the winner. Throughout the day, the two sat at looms, weaving furiously. Just before sunset, they finished. Both tapestries were marvelous to behold, but the crowd chose the old woman, for her creation was flawless. That means without any mistakes at all. Spin and weave forever without my help, fool, the old woman suddenly said, and pointing one finger at Arachne, turned her into a spider. Which sentence best explains why Arachne was turned into a spider? All right, it says the old woman had special powers. Arachne did not show her thanks to Athena. Athena was disguised as the old woman. Like Arachne, spiders are good at weaving. All right, so on that one, I think we would look at she turned Arachne into a spider because Arachne did not show her thanks to Athena. Let me get my marker here. We'll circle that one. Okay, so that would be the reason that she did that, because, and now you know that spiders weave webs all the time, and it says spin and weave forever without my help, fool, and turned her into a spider. All right, so on Show Your Thinking, I want you to look at that, look at the answer you chose above, explain how the details in the story helped you infer why Arachne was turned into a spider. We talked about that, but I'd like you to write your answer there. All right, that's it for reading for today, Wednesday, April 15th. I'll see you tomorrow.